5 high-protein Indian vegan foods. Many of us think that it is difficult for the vegetarians to get protein from the food they eat. But this is not the truth. Though non-vegetarian foods are the richest source of protein. However, there are many vegetarian foods that contains good source of protein. Why body needs protein? Proteins are vital to our body to accomplish a variety of tasks that includes cell maintenance, growth and functioning of human body and establishment of each new cell. A constant supply of proteins is necessary to avoid any deficiency or degradation of the body cells. Proteins account for nearly 17% of total body mass. Sources of protein in a vegetarian diet. Although it is said that high sources of protein include meat, poultry, fish, milk, eggs and cheese, vegetarians can also easily meet their protein needs through a varied and protein-rich diet. Good sources of protein in vegetarian food include tofu. Tofu is a deliciously enjoyed, lightly soft, soy-based food. It is an excellent example of how to make a simple food such as soybean, natural, inexpensive and very nutritious. Tofu is a versatile form of soy and is made by curdling soy milk so its proteins can coagulate and then pressed into a sliceable cake. A half-cup serving of firm raw tofu is said to contain about 10.1 grams of protein. Nutritional experts recommend a daily intake of 56 grams of protein for most men and 46 grams for women. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are yet another delicious food that contains good source of protein. Chickpeas are nutritious, rich in protein, fiber and other nutrients, and low in calories. Cooked chickpeas taste great when added to salads, pasta, or mashed into hummus. Consuming chickpeas is the best way to get some of the key nutrients in your diet. They are widely used in Indian and Mediterranean cuisine. Soy is widely praised for its high protein content. Soy protein contains all the essential amino acids, which means that it is a complete protein. It is an important source of protein for all who depend on a meatless diet. Soy contains more protein than other types of beans. About 35% of the calories in soy come from protein, while other types of beans provide only 30% of the calories from protein. In terms of quality, soy protein is comparable to meat and dairy protein. 100 grams of raw soybeans contain 36 grams of protein. Cashews, peanuts, almonds, pistachios, and other nuts. One of the best ways to get most of the nutrients from nuts and seeds is to soak them in water. This will help maintain their nutrition and bring out the best of the nuts. These foods are tasty and healthy because they give you the best combination of protein, fiber and fat that satisfies and provides incredible satiety power. Dried roasted cashews are high in protein and have the lowest fat content. 100 grams of dry roasted cashews contain 15 grams of protein, 100 grams of almonds contain 21 grams of protein and 100 grams of walnuts contain 15 grams of protein. Various nuts and seeds are widely used in Indian cuisine to garnish dishes, breads, and desserts. Protein-rich vegetables. Protein-rich vegetables are Brussels sprouts, aubergines, cucumbers, artichokes, beets, mustard greens, onions, spinach, turnips, kale, green peppers, broccoli, lettuce, mushrooms, zucchini, watercress, etc.